Say something.
Me?
Yeah.
Why? What do you always say?
Whatever you want to say.
Kayla, if you're watching this right now, we're on a plane to California, and I told you couldn't watch it till we were on the plane because there's a little bit of a twist. You were getting a prom video, but this prom video has a few of our video memories thrown in here too. Happy 6 months. Let's get to California.
You look so wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that. The way it falls on the side of your neck, down your shoulders and back. We are surrounded by all of these lies, and people that talk too much. You got the kind of look in your eyes as if no one knows anything but us. Should this be the last thing I see, I want you to know it's enough for me. 'Cause all that you are is all that I'll ever need. I'm so in love, so in love, so in love, so in love. You look so beautiful in this light, your silhouette over me. The way it brings out the blue in your eyes is the Tenerife Sea. And all of the voices surrounding us here, they just fade out when you take a breath. Just say the word and now we'll disappear into the wilderness. Should this be the last thing I see, I want you to know it's enough for me. 'Cause all that you are is all that I'll ever need. I'm so in love, so in love, so in love, so in love.
It's only 6 months, so I don't want to make a huge deal out of it because we got a long way to go, but it feels like it's flown by, but at the same time it feels like I've known you for years. And we haven't even got to the good parts yet, like California, John Bellion, and moving to Ohio. Well, we're on the plane to California. So here's another memory in the making, and here's another video to begin filming. I love you, and I can't wait to go on our next trip, write our next memory, and film our next video. P.S. Your camera skills definitely need work.
Should this be the last thing I see, I want you to know it's enough for me. 'Cause all that you are is all that I'll ever need. So in love, so in love, so in love, 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 so in love. You look so wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that. And in the moment I knew you better.